Hi everyone, let's make some desi style roasted potatoes. Here I have 8 to 9 small potatoes cut in cubes. Boil them in some normal water so they can cook evenly with some salt. This can take up to 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when you can cut through it. Strain the water out and give them a toss a few times, just like this. This will rough up the edges, giving you a crispy end result. Place them on a greased baking sheet with some olive oil. Add in some red chili powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, turmeric powder, crushed red chili flakes, some dried parsley, and some salt to taste. Also, you can tweak the spices according to your preference. Give them a good mix and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Take it out of the oven and give it a mix and put it back in for another 40 minutes. Finally, add in some grated parmesan and give it a toss, and there you have it. You can serve them with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Hope you like it.